Warmer out there today, Ben, in the 70s instead of the 60s, and that warming trend going to continue in the coming days. 80s in the forecast, but to go along with those warmer temperatures, we also get the threat for some showers and thunderstorms. We actually need some showers. I mean, I hope we all get at least a little bit of rain. Things are starting to get awfully crispy out there, so we're rooting for the rain. That being said, looks like thunderstorms and possibly severe thunderstorms are going to be likely from New York City on south and west. And the question is, can some of those ingredients start to sneak into parts of southwestern Connecticut? The Storm Prediction Center says it's possible, but it's a much lower risk than areas around New York. So we're going to keep you posted on that. I wanted to give you the time frame of that. Most of the day tomorrow is dry. Then after about 1 or 2 o'clock, we'll bring in the chance for some showers. And there could be a decent cluster of thunderstorms that ends up developing. And again, this is where the best ingredients are going to be for the chance for a bigger thunderstorm. You can see them kind of blowing up here along Long Island. So again, we'll be keeping you posted on that for southwestern areas, but for most of the state, we're talking about showers and an isolated rumble of thunder. Temperatures right now in the lower to middle 60s. It was another chilly night last night. We ended up tying a record for Windsor locks. I don't think we're going to get there tonight, though. We have a lot more clouds out there and even a couple scattered showers out there, too. Low temperatures in the mid-50s to right around 60 degrees. And as we head through the day tomorrow, we're going to see temperatures warm up into the upper 70s to lower 80s as we head through the afternoon. Partly cloudy skies. There's a chance for a shower in spots first thing in the morning, and then again as we head through the afternoon for those thunderstorms. That'll be later in the day and at night. Moving forward, the temperature only goes up from here, and there's additional showers and a few thunderstorm chances to time out for you. We'll do that coming up.
Rachel, thanks. We are just...
And this is the second day of hurricane season. Already we have a new named storm, the third of the season. We're going to take a look at that, plus tracking heat and the chance for some thunder. Your full forecast after the break.
Rachel, we are 48 hours into the month of June, and it doesn't exactly feel like June. At least it didn't today.
I know. Yesterday we were in the 60s, today 70s, but wait until you see the numbers over the coming days, Ben. Just like that, it's feeling like June out there. High temperatures tomorrow in the low 80s, chance for a scattered shower, maybe a thunderstorm. Even that kind of just goes with the June theme here. And look at Thursday, mid to upper 80s, at least away from the beaches, just a kind of spitting distance from 90 degrees. Friday, Saturday, we would continue with those warmer temperatures, and then it's cooler for the second half of the weekend. So that's the theme here moving forward. A lot of people asking, when are we going to get some beneficial rainfall? And there's a few chances for showers or rumbles of thunder in the forecast, but no real soaking rain for everybody. That's really going to be able to do the trick here. Record cold this morning again. We were able to clear things out for a while last night, and temperatures dropped rapidly. Low 40s for Windsor locks. That actually tied the previous record for the date that was set back initially in 1998, but it was a nice afternoon. Had to show this with you. Just wanted to make you say, aw. You're not saying it out loud. You're saying it in your head, right? This is from Joshua. Really appreciate you sharing this with us. And from Cindy Graham, we have these beautiful lilacs, and she says she wishes that we could all smell them with her. And honestly, I feel like the flowers are doing really, really well out there right now. All right, moving forward, a few showers out there tonight, and I think that there could be a brief sprinkle early tomorrow morning. Low temperatures dropping back in the mid-50s to right around 60 degrees. And then tomorrow turning partly cloudy, and again in the afternoon there could be a few showers or even a thunderstorm. And we'll be keeping a closer eye on the chance for a thunderstorm or a bigger storm in southwestern Connecticut. So here's what I mean by that. First thing in the morning, again, we're seeing some sunshine, partly cloudy. Look at those numbers really starting to climb. And then again, as we head towards the mid to late afternoon especially, that's when we'll be watching southwestern areas, because I think there is a better risk for severe storms away from us here in Connecticut, closer to the New York City area. But if those ingredients push a little bit closer to us, we'll have to watch for something big sneaking in here as well. So I think it's a low risk, but something I can't quite rule out, and you'll notice that threat continues into the early evening. Some areas may get little, if any, rainfall, and others could get a super soaker, just depending on how lucky you get with those showers or rumbles of thunder. Heading into Thursday, partly cloudy and warm. We're dry, and that's when we're really starting to warm up in the mid to upper 80s inland, and even around 80 degrees for the Connecticut shoreline. So here's our latest named storm. This is Tropical Storm Cristobal right now in the Gulf of Mexico, the Bay of Campeche. We'll have to see how this storm interacts with land here in Mexico because it could weaken, but then eventually heading into this weekend, it looks like the storm gains some steam, pushes to the north, and may take a run at the Gulf Coast around Louisiana, Texas. We'll keep you posted as we get a little bit closer to that, but no impact.